Hello guys, this is International Marketing. Today I will cover international cost-based pricing. International pricing strategies. In international markets, price is affected by many different variables, such as cost of product development, whether it is produced locally or imported, and cost of raw materials, and cost of delivery, which include transportation and tariffs, and so on and so forth, and much more. So you need to consider all these factors to assess an international price, the price in the international market. And also, there are multiple issues you need to consider for your pricing policy in international markets. Number one, at what price is your product affordable and will sell in this international market? So you need to understand the market condition of the international market, right? Second, is this price an attractive value given the product performance of competing products? So for your pricing policy, you need to understand the nature of your competition in the international market. Third, is the market demand in this international market elastic or inelastic? Sometimes you need to make some changes to adapt into the market. I mean the changes in the market, right? Then you need to have several different factors in your pricing policy to adapt the price into the changes in the market. So today's topic, international cost-based pricing. Using this method, cost-based pricing, each channel participant marks up their cost to a price that provides a desired profit margin. In most instances, businesses use cost-based pricing to achieve desired margins for their products. And there are several different factors you need to consider in this method. Number one is CIF, which is cost, insurance, and flight, which means channels and transportation cost. And also the process includes imports tariffs and importers additional cost, including the basic CIF, right? And also value-added taxes. So considering all these factors, we can assess the international pricing. Look at the table here. This is from the main text, and there are 4 different cases. So first case is about the domestic market. The price is $62.63. The price includes the manufacturer's cost, its CIF, and importer's CIF, and also wholesaler's cost and retailer's cost. Adding all this, we have this final consumer price. And in the case 2, we add manufacturer's CIF, insurance and shipping as a percentage of CIF, and the CIF value, landed cost, and tariff as a percentage on CIF value. So the price is $93.94, increased from the previous domestic price. In case 3, we add one more aspect. Importers cost. It's CIF and their margin. Okay, so we add two numbers here. So the cost is, the total consumer price is $108.03. Lastly, in the case number 4, we add one more thing, value added tax here. However, you need to understand that even though we have same wholesalers cost and retailer cost here, their actual numbers are different in the cases because they mark on different base cost, right? Even though the percentages are exactly the same, actual cost added to the price, right? Different. So let's do a practice using marketing performance tools at lowyorbest.com. So I have it here. So we will click international cost-based pricing here, right? As well, you can see two different tables. And the second table is for the comparison purpose. So I will leave it and I'll working on the first table here. It's relatively simpler, right? Okay, you can have you have 3 columns. Here's metrics for running shoes, and for this is the pricing in the domestic market and pricing in the international market. And you can change numbers in the yellow boxes. So here, just as in the table from the in the main text, the consumer price in the domestic market $62.63, and the price in the international market is $135.66. But by changing some numbers, we may have a different price. Right? So manufacturer's cost, it's pretty given, but you can use different numbers from the information in the international market. So you can Google it, or you can find some information from databases. For example, when you Google it, right, you can Google the tariff rate in Nigeria like this, okay, and you can find this 11.84 is the tariff rate in 2016 in Nigeria, right? So we can use this number here. Import tariff 11.48%. So you see the consumer prices in the international market changed because we have lower tariff rate here, right? And you can change other numbers based on your searches. However, sometimes you can find any relevant information for the number. Then you can make up the number, right? But try to get some information and try to have some close indicators for the numbers. All right. So for my convenience, I will just make up the numbers here, right? But as I said, please attempt to get some indicators, right? Based on some references. Okay, so our manufacturer margin will stay the same, but let me decrease the retailer's margin because we are going to standardize the product. That there is less value-added features in the domestic market, so margin should be lower. So it's only 37%. So So based on this change, you can see the changed price here. It's $101.47. Well, I like to lower the price a little bit into two digit, right? So let me squeeze, our margin a little bit. 48, and then even 49. We have $99.48. Now sometimes we are deceived by the very small change, right? $99 is different from $100. Okay. I want to show you entertaining video clip. I think you are kind of bored. So this is a recent arrival from South Korea, a K-pop number, and one of the most popular songs these days. It's called Any Song. Enjoy it. Alright, are you sick and tired with your everyday life with this coronavirus? Play any song or study international marketing. Thank you guys.